The following tutorial goes over how you can create content with an HTML editor in the Desire to Learn management system. Click on Content. Here we'll go ahead and add some content under our professor info. So click on the area that you want to add content to. We'll go ahead and click New, and it'll give us options to upload or create a file. We'll say Create a File. Here, we're going to enter in the title of our content. So we'll call this Welcome. Here you can type or paste information into the box here. And we can also see where we can edit the information up top. So we are going to add an image by clicking on Insert Stuff. Then we're going to click on My Computer to upload an image. So we're going to click on Choose a File, and I'm going to select my picture because this is going under Professor Info. So we'll go ahead and say Upload, and we'll say Create New File and Save. So we'll go ahead and give this link a name. So I'm just going to call it Professor Image. Alternate text, this is for accessibility, so we will call it Image of Instructor. And we'll go ahead and insert this image. And so now you can see our image is populated here. So we'll go ahead and say Save since we're happy with that image. So now you can see what your content looks like.